Hello guys, today I will show you how you can get access to Seedance 2.0 for free, no VPN, and how you can remove the watermark. If you are a Windows user or Mac user, it's gonna work for both. If you are a Mac user, you can download it from here, and if you are a Windows user, you can also download it from here. And I'm gonna leave the download link in the description for you. So we're gonna use this Chinese AI agent, but of course you're gonna have to install it first. Installation is easy and simple, it's just next, but I'm not gonna install it because I have it already installed on my PC. So let's double click and open it. In this step, you're gonna need to use your phone so you can log in by scanning the QR code. You're gonna need to hit the login button here. So it's gonna ask you to use your phone number, and here you will not be able to find your country code, but it is different on your phone. So before moving forward, if you are an iPhone user, you're gonna have to download it from the App Store first. And if you are an Android user, you're gonna have to download it from this website because it's not available on Play Store. You're just gonna scroll down until you see this, get the latest version, and then you're gonna download it, move it to your phone, and install it. After you install it on your phone, you're gonna see the same exact window here, but it's gonna be different because you will see your country code, or you will be able to write it down. After you write down your phone number, just simply accept terms and conditions and then proceed. And after you successfully log in, you'll simply find the home screen looks like this one, and you can see the scan QR code button. It's on the top left, and then you're gonna scan the QR code here, and as you can see here, it's successfully scanned. But there is one last step. On your mobile phone, you will see a confirmation page. It looks like this. You just simply hit the blue button and it's gonna just confirm the login for your desktop version. After you log in successfully, it's gonna take you to this home page. Unfortunately, it's available only in Chinese. You can't translate it, but I'm gonna show you how you can access Seedance 2 fast. So you can simply access it from here. As you can see, this picture icon, you're just gonna have to click on it. You can access it from this little picture icon here. Click on it. You'll see it's available here, but you don't need to click on this one. It's available here. You have to click here because this one says picture and this one says video. You will see picture icon here is now a video icon. And if you look on the other side here, you will see Seedance 2.0 fast. And from here, you can change the size, like if you want it square, 3.4, just whatever you want. So let's try 916 vertical. So to make it easy and short for you, I have already submitted my prompt here, and I generated this video of this cute cat. So as you can see, there is a watermark here, and it's floating and moving around the video. I will show you how you can remove it in a few moments. But before we move to the watermark removal, I have to tell you that you get only 10 credits every day, and a 10-second video, it consumes 2 credits. So you just like, you can create only 5 videos per day. And how much time does it take to generate a video? It actually depends, because sometimes it takes 5 minutes and sometimes it takes from 1 to 3 minutes. And if there is like so many people are using it, it takes 2 hours, but doesn't happen usually. So I always get 5 minutes, or maybe from 1 to 3 minutes. So now we're gonna have to download this video so we can remove the watermark. I'm gonna click here so I can download it on my device. It's downloaded, and you're gonna find it here on downloads. It's gonna be named in this Chinese name.
Which side will you choose?
So right now, let's see how we can remove this watermark from the video, and it's completely for free. I use this website. There is a trick I do on this website because it's actually not completely for free. The video length is 10 seconds and it gives you only a 5 seconds preview. So I use CapCut for this. Let's take the video to CapCut, and then I'm gonna drop it here and then drag it to the timeline. You can do this on any video editing tool. I'm gonna split it in half. So I'm gonna move this to exactly 5 seconds, and then I'm gonna split. I'm gonna delete this part, and I'm gonna export the video. Let's name it first, and then I'm gonna undo the part that I deleted, and then I'm gonna delete the first part, and then I'm gonna export the second part. So the first part is 5 seconds and the second part is also 5 seconds. So I'm gonna drag and drop it to the website. It will start uploading immediately, and it's gonna start processing the watermark removal. While it's doing this, let's just upload the second part. So this is the original one, and this is after. As you can see here, there is a watermark here, but here there is no watermark. And this is what I was talking about. It gives you 5 seconds per view, but if you want to download the full video, you're gonna have to subscribe, and I don't need to subscribe because I don't want to pay. So after I downloaded both of them after being processed, I'm gonna drag them to CapCut. I'm gonna drag the first one to the timeline and the second one also to the timeline. And then I'm gonna right click and click on create compound clip. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you wanna see more from AI Spotted.